Now we have dissected the kidneys from the body. So we will discuss now the gross feature of kidney. So first of all, we will discuss to which side the kidney belong. Now to discuss the side determination, first of all we have to know some feature of kidney. As we have already discussed, kidney has upper pole, lower pole, lateral border, medial border, anterior surface and posterior surface. In the middle of medial border, this medial border presents a depression. This depression is called hilum of kidney. This hilum contains three main structures. Most anteriorly we have renal vein. This structure is renal vein. Then posterior to the renal vein we have renal artery. This is renal artery, and most posterior structure we have renal pelvis. This is the upper expanded part of ureter, and it continues downwards as a ureter. So this is the hilum and the structure present within the hilum. The examination of structures within the hilum will tell us about the anterior and posterior surfaces as well as upper and lower poles. So as you already know, anterior most structure in hilum is vein, then artery, then most posterior is renal pelvis. The direction of renal pelvis and ureter is downwards. This direction of renal pelvis and ureter will tell us about the lower pole of kidney. So this is directed downwards. So this is the lower pole of kidney. Keep it downwards, and the upper pole, which is related to the suprarenal gland, keep it upwards, and keep in mind this relation of these structures. Anterior most structure is renal vein. It should be anterior always, not like this. So this is renal vein, which is anterior, then artery, then renal pelvis. So keeping this structure in mind, or by the examination of structures within the hilum, now this is the kidney of right side. This is right kidney. And now what are the general features? We have upper pole, lower pole, anterior surface, posterior surface, lateral border and medial border. Now this anterior surface is irregular and little bit convex, whereas the posterior surface is flat, is almost flat. So these were the general feature of right kidney. So this is left kidney. You can see here the direction of ureter is downward. So this is the lower pole. This should be upper pole. And here this is the renal vein, then renal artery, and we have posterior most structure renal pelvis and ureter. So this is left kidney. Now we have discussed this side determination of kidneys. So side determination we can only determine by the examination of structure present within the hilum. Now coming to the relations of kidney, which are very, very important. Now we will discuss the anterior relations of kidney. First of all, I want to put these specimens on the both kidneys so that you can appreciate the structure related to kidneys. So this was the specimen. We are just making in situ orientation. This is the duodenum. This is the second part of duodenum. This structure is pancreas. So as you can see here, the second part of duodenum is related to the right kidney. Anterior surface of right kidney near is medial border. And as you can see, this pancreas is related to the anterior surface of left kidney, and spleen is also related to the lateral part of upper part of left kidney. So these are the anterior relations of right and left kidney with duodenum, pancreas and spleen. Now left kidney is also related to the stomach. It is also related to the stomach. So it is related to the stomach here. It was related to the stomach. So this area is the gastric impression of left kidney. as it was related to the stomach here. So anterior relation of right or left kidney. First of all, right kidney. The upper pole is related to the right suprarenal gland. Then anterior surface nearest medial border, this was related to the second part of duodenum. As I have shown you, this large area here, it was related to the liver. This is called hepatic impression. Lower part of kidney, the lateral part, it was related to the right colic flexure. This impression is called colic impression. And the middle part of this lower part was related to the small intestine. So it is called jejunal impression. So these were the anterior relations of right kidney. Now the anterior relations of left kidney. Upper pole was related to the left suprarenal gland. Now we have discussed this region was related to the pancreas and splenic vessels, and this area was related to the stomach. Lateral part of this upper part of left kidney, this was related to the spleen. This was related to the spleen. Now coming to the lower part of anterior surface, most lateral part is related to the left colic flexure and descending colon. Related to the left colic flexure and descending colon. Now the medial part, it was related to the jejunum or small intestine. This is called jejunal impression. This is called colic impression. Pancreas region was called pancreatic impression. Splenic impression, we have gastric impression and suprarenal attachment. So these were the anterior relations of right and left kidneys. Now coming to the posterior relation, which we have discussed in situ presentation. Posteriorly, the upper part of kidney is related to the ribs and diaphragm. This is right kidney. Right kidney is related to the only 12th rib, diaphragm, medial and lateral arcuate ligaments. Then in the lower largest part, this part of posterior surface is related to the it lies on the three muscles. Medial to lateral, we have psoas major, we have quadratus lumborum, we have transversus abdominis relations. Then we have three nerves which are running downwards obliquely from middle to lateral sides. We have subcostal nerve along with subcostal vessels. Down to this we have iliohypogastric nerve. Then down to this we have ilioinguinal nerve. So these were the posterior relations of right kidney. Posterior relations of left kidneys are similar to that of right kidney except ribs. The left kidney is related to 11th and 12th rib, whereas right kidney is related to only 12th rib. So these rest of the relations are same as right kidney. So these were the posterior relations of kidneys.